Coming at you from Tokyo, Japan, my name is Dave and this is my 98 Toyota Altezza. I duct taped some foam to the underside of the bonnet because the taller air filter I had fitted was touching it. It didn't work very well and it looked shit, so I removed it and have since gone with a smaller filter that doesn't touch. But now I'm left with this tape residue. So I'm going to try this trick I saw on YouTube where you use WD-40 and a rag to get it off. I left this in real time so you can see how easy this is. And just like that, gone. But maybe that was a fluke, so let's see it again in real time in a different spot. Yep, gone. This stuff's amazing. That is absolutely incredible. It works. But that's on duct tape residue. What about other shit? This is like a foam double-sided tape that used to hold the ballast box for some HID headlights. Let's see how the WD-40 tackles this. Initial test with just the rag shows that it doesn't work that great. The black colouring is coming out of the tape, but I'm actually having more success with the WD-40 and scratching at it with my fingernail. And it was at this point I realised the microphone wasn't on that whole time. Just using my fingernail to scratch the foamy stuff off. Ugh. So WD-40 get the foamy stuff off my finger? Yes it does. Excellent. It's slow, but it's working. I'm going to put some more on. Yeah, the fingernail is the key. The WD-40 gives your fingers some lubricant so that you can, well, that's, okay. I should have actually tried to pick it off before I used the WD-40 to show you the difference of how hard it is with or without. But yeah, I forgot about that. Forgot about Dre. Mother always act like they forgot about Dre. Hey WD-40, if you're watching, I love you. Yeah, like I was looking at this like there's no way. I couldn't scratch any more off with my finger. Just rubbing with the WD-40 on the rag. And yep, it's taking it right off. It's actually pretty impressive, in my opinion, what that does, how that works. That's gone. And it's left it with a silky smooth shine. Shiny, and no more tape residue. There's more tape residue. We can get rid of all this too. All right, we can try the fingernail test. Does the fingernail get it off? Not, a little bit. Let's do that. Yeah, that's working really well. This is just magical. Look at that. 25799, motherfucker. Probably a warning on the can that says do not use on paint, but whatever, we're doing it. Over here, there's more. Leave it there for a few seconds, mate. Give it some time. Oh, leaving it there works even better. Yeah. I want to clean the car in WD-40.